couple of other things that I'll note is under the Type menu, you have the option to insert special characters. Those include things like bullets, copyright symbols, ellipses. It also includes things like hyphens and dashes, such as the M dash. So if I wanted to position an M dash here in my text, I could highlight that space, go up to my Type menu, insert a special character, and select my M dash. And that will put a proper M dash in between rather than using 2 dashes or some other workaround based on keyboard strokes. I'm just going to undo that since it's not correct in the text as shown. A couple of other special characters that you can insert include things like page and column breaks. So if I go up to Type and I insert a break character, if I insert a column break, it will automatically push everything in my text box to the next column. If, for example, I were to insert a page break, instead of pushing it to the next column, it would send it to the next page, the next odd page, the next even page. There are a number of options. The other special characters you can insert are Whitespace characters. Those include amounts of space between items of text. So an M space would be equal to the space of an M dash. An N space would be equal to the amount of space of an N dash. So if you needed to include some kind of space between your characters, you could insert that white space there. The last basic editing piece I'll point out is that if I go up to Type, Show Hidden Characters, that will show me things like paragraph markers, break characters. If I zoom in, you can see all of my spaces. You can see that I have a column break indicated by this character here. If I delete that column break, let's use my Type tool to click in there. If I delete that column break, you'll see the paragraph markers show up. So that can be useful if something is acting strangely and you don't realize that there's a certain hidden character built in there, or you're trying to figure out, if you accidentally have 2 spaces, something like that. If you go up to Type, Show Hidden Characters, and right now I have them visible, so it's giving me the option to hide them. But that's how I can turn on and off the hidden characters.